So, what's going on, everybody? I got the unboxing today of the 2010 Apple TV second generation. So, here's the box. You've probably seen these a million times, but it took me forever to get one, so I'm going to unbox it. So, that's pretty much it. Alright, let's dig in. Gonna cut the plastic here. Don't think I got it. There we go. Get the knife out of the way there. Alright, so I think it slides this way. Maybe not, slides this way. Okay, so here it is. Apple TV. It is, man, it's pretty small. It's, yeah, tiny. In the box, you get an Apple remote, which is a, oh, snap, which is the same remote you get if you buy a new MacBook Pro or MacBook Air or something like that. Aluminum, pretty nice, real thin. Also in the box, you get power cable and your manuals. And that's it. Apple stickers. Woohoo! It'd be nice if this came with an HDMI cable. At Apple, they offer HDMI cables for this, but it'd just be nice if they gave you one in the box. Feel like you get a little more for your value. So it's $99, $100. There's bottom. Very nice looking. Where's the ports at? Oh, here it is. Alrighty. So, here's your ports. You've got power, HDMI, optical, and Ethernet. Wow, that's it, huh? This unboxing is going to be kind of short. Alright, it has the 1 GHz Apple A4 processor running it. You can use the remote app on iPhones and iPod Touches to control this thing, so that's pretty nice. It streams, that was on one of these. Rent and instantly watch the latest Hollywood movies and TV shows in stunning HD. So it does have HD 720p quality. You can do Netflix and YouTube, which is pretty cool. I'll watch my own video on YouTube. That's pretty, or on my big screen. That's kind of cool. Photos, slideshows, and all that good stuff from your computer, all over wireless networking. It does have AirPlay in it. I think, no, it has Airport Extreme, 802.11n Wi-Fi. It's got, like I said, the HDMI out. Apple remote. Yeah. Dolby Digital 5.1. Apple A4 chip. It's all that good. So I'm going to plug this in. I'm going to try it out. I'll post a review later. It is really tiny. The biggest thing about this is that it's all streaming. There's no storage or anything like that, like the last model, and the size, because it fits pretty good in the hand. I don't have a smartphone to compare it to, because I'm using my iPhone to actually shoot this, so that's pretty much it. So, review coming later. It's 2010 Apple TV, $100. Thanks for watching, guys.